Okay, hey guys. Right now, I will be showing you how to disassemble or get the gunpowder out of, either way you want to look at it, of a bottle rocket. So I got my bottle rocket. You're going to take the stick off here, and you'll just have this. Take the stick and throw it away, because you don't really need that for anything. Then you're going to take your pliers, you're going to need a pair of those, and pull the fuse out. It's not too hard to get out. And I keep mine in a box here, so just in case I need them for anything. I think I'll do some stuff with those over the weekend, so that'll go up. And on this end it's sealed by something, I don't know, but you can either just crush that there and empty it this way. You just kind of want to tighten and untighten the grip on the pliers and kind of turn it so you're getting pressure all over everything, and you'll see it'll come out here. So that's one way. Now let me just show you another way I do it. That one takes quite a bit of pressure to actually break it, because there's a lot of pressure in there. So take it like about a little past halfway, so then you're going to pull up so you break it in half. Just take one side and set it off to the side there, and then just rotate and squeeze on this side, and you'll see I'm not even messing around with those blocks at the end anymore, because I've done this so many times. And just go. I've probably done quite a few of these. I mean, probably 20, yeah, I don't know, I've done probably at least 10 dozen. I got this old pop bottle here, and you'll see got it filled up quite a bit there. And I prefer bottles. Make sure you dry them out first, of course, but I prefer bottles to store everything in, because it's easier than anything else that I've found. And you're going to want to get a funnel to put it in. This one's a little large. I couldn't find my good sized funnel, but take this, and I put it on a folded piece of paper here, because it's easy just to, I don't know how good of an angle you're getting with this, but you can just kind of shake it a little and get all of the gunpowder out of the paper there. Let me get this hair out. So, yeah, you can do that. And this funnel, just gonna take a one of these here, get as much of the gunpowder out as I can so it doesn't get all over everything, and throw that away. Just set this off to the side and keep going. Like these smaller bottle rockets here, these don't have quite as much in them, but they're a lot easier to open and get the fuses out, and the fuses aren't as long either. Here, I'll do one of these real quick and show you, compared to, oh kitty, I don't need your help with this here. Bob, get out of the way. Sorry about that. She likes to help with my projects. as you can see, there is a much smaller amount in here. Oh, kitty, bad time. I need to start giving her treats before I make videos. This one, it's not as like compact or pressurized in there. I don't know how to say it, but it's not quite as tough to disassemble. So it's easier, but there's not as much in it. Last 4th of July I got a lot of bottle rockets from a different state, and we can't shoot them off here, so I decided I'd do something. I still have here, let me show you how many I have here when I disassemble all of them. So when I get all of these disassembled and got everything, I will make another video with these, and I'll blow some stuff up. Yeah, thanks for watching. Like and comment if it pleases you. Yeah, thanks for watching.